Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really super excited to take you through the journey of world-class doors and windows with Sai Chaitanya Doors and Windows. Whether building a new home or renovating a home, finding the right doors and windows can really transform your space, and Chaitanya has something special for everyone. Chaitanya Doors and Windows has been in this business for over 8 years, specializing in uPVC doors and windows, building with innovation and craftsmanship. Today I'll be walking you through their latest collections. So what they do is, there is a bead right here, you can see. This is the bead. So they put it into the machine and they compress it to the uPVC railing. This is the welding machine. So they, put it up on the 4 sides, which the machine welds all together. Each pieces has been put up. This is the CNC machine, CNC cleaning. So first what they do is, they have this product, uPVC product. So they put it into this machine. So this machine cuts it by half. This is also the cutting machine where they inserted the uPVC, and you can see the machine is still working and it has sliced it in half. So this is the final after cutting. You can see this is the product. And what they do is they have 4 pieces, and those pieces they put it in welding machine. So they insert in the welding machine. You can see that the 4 sides the welding machine does the welding, and after welding, this is the product. Yeah, this is the product after the welding. So and after that what they do is they insert it to the CNC machine. After that they do fitting, yeah, glass fitting, and after that completion you will see the complete final product here. This is the final product, and this is it. This is the final product. So they have done it fixing as well. They will remove it while you install it. This is the final product which you've seen. This is the window product. You can see this is the windows. And you can see that there are a lot of linings. Whether you're building a home or renovating a space, Chaitanya uPVC windows and doors can guarantee that they can elevate your design and functionality of any room. If you are willing to buy uPVC windows and doors from them, you can check in the link